Hello friends, have your cucumber plants stopped growing? Are they producing only a few leaves and developing very slowly? Here are the 3 most common reasons and a simple, natural solution. First, lack of nutrients. Cucumbers are heavy feeders and need enough nutrition, especially nitrogen, for healthy growth. Second, poor nutrient absorption. Even if nutrients are in the soil, roots may struggle because of compacted soil, poor moisture, or low microbial activity. Third, and most common in spring, is cold weather. Cucumbers grow best in warm conditions. When temperatures stay low, root activity slows, and growth almost stops. Once nights stay above 10 degrees Celsius, prepare the simple Oat Booster. Mix 2 tablespoons of ground oats with 1 liter of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir and leave for 2 to 4 hours. Water your plants first, then apply 200 to 300 milliliters around each plant, avoiding the stem. This mixture may help support soil microbes and improve root conditions. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.